Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be cleaning up around the house today. We just got back from the pool a little while ago and it started raining and it's like thunderstorming out right now, so it's kind of a gross day. It's a Sunday. So my husband's just hanging out with Ellie, watching some TV playing in the living room, and I have some cleaning that I wanted to get done, specifically in our office. It's like, this room is just kind of a cluster. It's like an office, it's a guest room when we have people come. It's kind of my closet because I don't have a place for my shoes. It's also just like a place where I just like throw stuff that I don't know what to do with. So I want to clean up this room, clean up the kitchen, clean up the living room maybe a little bit later. So figured I would film it and take you guys along with me. If you like cleaning motivation, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Let's just go ahead and get started. Hope you guys enjoy the music and this gives you a little bit of cleaning motivation. So let's just go ahead and get started.
I'm getting out of bed, reaching for the water glass. I need to other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground.
All right, all done with this room. Not great, but this is as good as it's going to get. I didn't touch my husband's desk because that's not my stuff. I have a couple of returns over here. I had gotten these rugs and I really like them, but they're just like not gonna work. The shape isn't right. And then I have a donation in that bag. I don't love how this looks, but I just haven't found a solution for my shoes. Our closets are too small. Don't judge me. I still have fall stuff on this bar cart. It's literally been shoved in a corner and just like hiding it away from Ellie. I think in the fall is when she started crawling, and then I moved this bar cart in here and has since just forgotten about it. So I just need to pack this up and maybe even like sell the bar cart. I don't feel like it's just gonna be an eyesore for the next several years, so might just get rid of that. And then I'm going to use these. I got these from Target, these little organizing containers for our pantry. So in one of the future videos you'll see we'll be organizing my pantry, and I'm gonna use those. So I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna move on to the bathrooms now, I think, and then the kitchen. So let's go.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know.
All right, I just finished up our room. I made our bed half-fast, but it's late. It's like almost 6 o'clock, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Got the dresser cleared off, have some laundry to do, and cleaned our bathroom real quick. Just cleaned the toilet and the sink and the mirror. So that's all done, so keep moving on. I wrapped up by throwing the laundry into the dryer, and that is actually where I left off for the day. And I apologize, you guys, I forgot to film an outro, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation. I know videos like this always help me get motivated to do a task maybe I'm not super excited about. So hope it gave you guys some motivation, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.